What is it, Missy? Is there something you don't like over there? What is it? Is that a very bad sunflower? We better go get that sunflower, huh? Let's go get it. Missy, go get that sunflower. That's a bad sunflower. You better go get it, Missy. Let's go. Come on. Are you all done? Are you all done getting the sunflower? Really? What else? Come on, let's go get it. Come on. Come on, let's go get the sunflower. Missy, come on. Come on, let's get it. Oh, it's a bad sunflower. Missy, save me. It's getting me. Come on. You better come help me. Come on. You don't like it, do you? You better go get it. Go get it somewhere. Come on, let's go get it. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, Missy, look. Come here. We're just going to sit here and then we're going to see the sunflower that's not that bad. Come on. Look. See? It has big leaves. Come on. See, it has big leaves. It's just a sunflower. See, look. It's just a sunflower. Come on. Missy, look. Come here. Come here. Come here, Miss. It's just a sunflower. Missy, come here. You don't have to be afraid. Missy, come here. Come get this sunflower. Right here. Come on. Want to come see it? Oh, you're all done, aren't you? Here, come here. I'll pick you up and I'll show you. It's not that bad. Come here. Where are you going? Missy.